Boy, the birds will fly only, no? Only they'll walk. Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So today again I am out on a ride and nothing to guess. I am with Mr. Ralston and we are heading towards Malshed. And today we were supposed to meet here at 6:15, but because of some problem we got late. It was because of me. So Ralston, I'm sorry. Sorry buddy.
It's okay, buddy.
This was the place where we started our vlog last time, where I started my vlog last time.
Yeah.
So guys, stay tuned and hopefully it doesn't rain today so that we can get you some more nice scenic footages on the way.
So we have exited the Bombay Nasik highway. We have taken the right towards Kalyan. So again, when you are on these roads over here, you have to be a little careful because this is a single lane road. Okay, it's a single lane road, so you have traffic coming from front as well, overtaking. So you have to be very careful when you are riding or driving on these roads.
Alright everybody, so welcome back and finally we have stopped. We stopped at Hotel Gargi. It's a wonderful place, awesome food. I really enjoyed myself. I'll show you guys the picture as well. And I have no words, I was lost. I've eaten vada vasal, the taste like this after a very long time. And right now I'm just lost with the surroundings because it is amazing. I'll show you guys a view of it.
Okay guys, so we were riding and there was a car that came and hit this bird. It's a kingfisher. He's injured. So Ralston and I are just thinking what needs to be done now. Okay people, so we have started climbing up Malshed Ghats. This is the base of Malshed Ghats. And now it's getting a little chilled. We stopped to install the microphones on the camera because it was not raining. But as we start, it has started drizzling. So I really don't know how long we will be able to continue like this. This is Malshed Ghats for you. People, so this is Malshed. Just look at it. I don't know if the camera is doing justice to this particular view or no, but it is amazing. So you have to be careful over here because this is a place where you have a lot of landslides that happen. Rocks fall from top. Oh ho ho ho! really hope my battery doesn't die out till we don't cross that tunnel over there. I don't want that view to go. And this is one spot here where initially there's water, along with water there are rocks that also come down, so you got to be careful. It's amazing, it's amazing. This is a small tunnel that we enter into. Woo-hoo! And these are donkeys? No, they are horses. Okay. These are horses.
People, so finally we have made it on top. This is Malshed Ghats here on top, and that's Ralston behind me there. He's vlogging right now, and my face would not be that clear because of the light conditions. And right now I am standing in the clouds, I would say, because it's amazing. I have no words. All what you can see, these are all clouds, guys. These are all clouds right around me. This entire place over here, this portion here, it was visible 2 minutes back. Not even 2 minutes, 60 seconds back it was visible. Now it's gone. This valley down here, again I could see right till down. Nothing. Even over there, nothing can be seen. So it is just amazing. I would say you're missing out on something really nice. So stay tuned, there is more coming up. And again, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to our channels, like, comment. See you. Okay, so guys, as you know, I'm riding with Ralston. Okay, and Rally, again for my viewers, this was the third bike trip that we had together.
Yes, we had one camping trip, one trip to Igatpuri, and one trip now to Malshed Ghat.
So how was the ride, and could you tell my subscribers something about the place and the events that are going to come again?
So basically, the ride so far was just amazing. This place is about 140 odd kilometers from Mumbai, from where I stay, and probably around the same distance from where Freddy stays.
You can add a little more.
Yeah, little give or take something. I'm not sure if you can see, but those are some birds flying, and there's a beautiful mountain range behind that, Bhima Shankar.
Those are the birds. Boy, the birds will fly only, no? They'll walk. So that's the fishy Ralston.
Fishy biker.
So guys, in fact, I just wanted to say that we are going to make more videos, and we're going to go to places which are not discovered by anyone. Okay, those are some secret places, some secret camping locations, and again, the reason why we would not be mentioning more about them is because today also I have seen at Malsheds when we were there, people just litter the place. Guys, don't do that. Try and keep the place clean. The cleaner it is, the better it is for everyone who come there, and the people who stay there in that locality. Because tomorrow if I'm going to come and dirty your house, you're not going to like it. So same way, even they would not like if we are coming and dirtying their place. So keep the place clean, and stay tuned. Again, guys, if you all have liked what I have seen so far, subscribe to our channels. That's Rally B Rides and Biker Freddy. Okay people, so I hope you guys have enjoyed the ride so far. So I'm planning to end the vlog over here, and I hope you have liked what you all have seen. Again, do not forget to subscribe if you all haven't subscribed to the channel. Also comment, and don't forget to hit the like button. This is a view behind me right now. It has cleared up. It looks amazing. And once again, Rally, what do you have to say about the ride today?
Nothing. If you enjoy, the content, whatever we are posting, do like, share, subscribe, and comment below. And we guys will be getting some more rides for you guys, and stay tuned to our channels.
So that's Rally B Rides and Biker Freddy signing off. So till next time guys, stay in, ride safe and do keep in mind there's someone waiting back at home. Cheers guys.